Hey there! Did you know turmeric is like the superhero of spices? It's got this incredible anti-inflammatory power thanks to curcumin, a real game changer for keeping inflammation in check. Picture this. Turmeric is like the bodyguard your cells always wanted. It's packed with antioxidants, and these bad boys help shield your body from oxidative stress, lowering the risk of those pesky chronic diseases. So, you know how joints can be a bit grumpy sometimes? Turmeric steps in like the cool friend who knows how to chill things out. Studies show it's got moves to ease joint pain and keep things running smoothly. Ever wondered if turmeric can be a brainiac too? Turns out, curcumin is being investigated for its brain-boosting potential. And last but not least, think of turmeric as a heart's best buddy. Some studies suggest it's got a knack for improving heart health. Think better blood vessel function and reducing heart disease risk factors. Who knew spices could be such a heartthrob?